Costa Rica, and this is my 8th video. Today's video is going to be a little different than the videos from yesterday and the day before because this problem and the problems we're doing are not from the packets I handed out to you on Monday. These problems are actually from the packets I handed to you when we were IAR testing. These are problems that the 8th graders were working on when the 7th graders were IAR testing. So let's get started. I am grading currently, and I noticed that we were having a lot of difficulty solving for x. So these were the two problems given to you, and I do want to go over this because I do think it's important. And let's get started. So problem number 1. First of all, I need to know that this is a right angle. Everyone, when they saw this problem, should have noticed that this is a right angle. The little box right here tells me it's a right angle. And I'm going to write that right angles equal 90 degrees. Something else I know right away is that angles that make up right angles are complementary angles. And complementary angles add up to 90 degrees. To 90 degrees. Let me get another marker color. Angle x and angle x minus 70, therefore, are complementary angles and therefore add up to 90 degrees. So I can create an equation. So x plus x minus 70 equals 90 degrees. Because remember, x is one angle and x minus 70 is another angle. When these angles are added up, they add up to 90 degrees, they make a right angle. Now I can combine like terms. X plus x is 2x and then minus 70. Now this is just a two-step equation. We should all know what to do. First, we deal with the whole number. The opposite of subtracting 70 is adding 70. If I do it to one side, I have to do it to the other. 90 plus 70 is 160, and I get 2x equals 160. My last step, the opposite of multiplying is dividing. Divide both sides by 2, divide by 2, and I get 160 divided by 2, x equals 80 degrees. 80 degrees. And I can check. I can make sure that my answer works. So if x equals 80, and then I plug in 80 minus 70, 80 minus 70 is 10. So one angle measure is 80 degrees and one angle measure is 10 degrees. 80 plus 10 is 90 degrees. Perfect. So let's look at the second problem. This time we are given multiple angles. But what do I know about vertical angles? They are congruent. This angle and this angle is vertical, so they are congruent. Which means this angle, this large angle that I'm coloring in yellow, is congruent to this large angle. This requires some knowledge on supplementary angles. The orange angle plus the yellow angle equals 180 degrees. I know the orange angle is 90 degrees. So 90 degrees plus the yellow angle, I'm going to write yellow angle, equals 180 degrees. Because they are supplementary angles, they make a straight angle. I subtract 90, and I get the yellow angle equal to 90 degrees. Pretty cool stuff. And then I know that if the yellow angle is 90 degrees, the angle opposite is also 90 degrees. Super cool. So I know this angle is 90 degrees. But we are not done yet because we are still solving for x. And what do I know about 2x and 4x? If the entire angle is 90 degrees, I know that 2x plus 4x equal 90 degrees. Because 2x plus 4x are complementary angles, they add up to 90 degrees, they make a 90-degree angle. Now I can just combine like terms. 2x plus 4x is 6x equals 90. Opposite of multiplying by 6, divides both sides by 6, and I get x equals to, what do I get x equal to? I get x equal to 15 degrees. And let's do a quick check. 2 times 15 is 30. 4 times 15 is 4 times 15 is 40, 20, sorry, I had to do it, equals 60. 30 plus 60 equals 90. It absolutely works. Again, this problem was not in your packet. I just wanted to go over it because I'm not seeing you guys in class right now, and I think it's important because I noticed a lot of people did not get it correct or did not think it was possible. And it is possible. So if you have any questions on a problem like this, I can do another one. I hope everything is fabulous, and see you later. Bye-bye.